Of course, I inherited brand and a style, which is something very rare, I think, in fashion, for fashion houses. Missoni this year will be 65 years old as a company, and the family also will be 65 years. So I was very lucky. My parents invented a style, a lot of freedom in it.
I also love the menswear. Can you be honest?
Yeah.
Sometimes I also pick
You
some
wear
menswear.
Yeah, but I love, because I think that we have this chance that wearing the more sports, the more casual,
because this it's also nice. This genderless,
Yeah.
you know, the comfort, the freedom. Missoni
Yeah,
was
but-
one of the first brands that I personally bought for myself
Yeah.
with my own money. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Sometimes when you wear something, it makes you feel better, it makes you feel worse, it makes you
Yes,
feel
of
someone
course.
else, or it makes you,
100%.
you know.
100%. Yeah.
I feel so myself when I wear it. Freedom that, you know, that you prove,
feel,
that you feel when you wear it. It's something that
Nice.
will always make
That's
me love
nice.
this brand.
I'm happy to hear that, because that's what I hope. I always hope to have customer that would buy my clothes not only for the label, but because they feel
How they feel,
because they feel
how they make you feel.
good.